you and me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining today. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you are my OG returning back, thank you for joining this video, guys. I'm going to be coming up to you with a makeup tutorial and a 2 outfit, because now we are coming in Christmas season. Like, we are already in Christmas season, although it's not yet December, but I'm feeling the vibe already, guys. So I decided to come up with a makeup tutorial and dinner outfit and clubbing outfit. So after dinner you eat, you don't want to go home straight, so you still really want to do something extra. You know, I'm an extra junkie, okay? People, something very casual. I love when I'm going out. It doesn't matter if I'm going for dinner, for lunch, or brunch. I always want to look very comfortable. I don't want to look extra too much. I want to put something same time classic and put together. So yeah, and I hope you guys like it. If you do watch this video to the end, please let me know which one was your favorite outfit. As always, all the products I use is going to be listed in the description box. Please go and check it out if there is anything you want to know. But to achieve this look, I use this Makeup Revolution sophx Extra Spice palette. I'm really loving the way they look. Turn out so super easy if you want to recreate it. With that, you don't get things twisted for you, okay? So without any further ado, if you're interested, you want to see how I put this look together, you already know what to do. Just stick around and enjoy. No long talking. Don't forget to do you. Stay pretty, stay blessed, and I will see you all in my next video. Take a ciao. Mwah.
When you leave, the world is never what it seems. If only we could travel back in time. Whoa.
To pray today, but no one's listening anymore. Do I need to fade away or stay here laying down on the floor? I want to know if you be the shoulder that I need. I want to go, so take me to Neverland. Can you help me find a way? Where is the God that I need? Can I get some help today? Lord, help me with the blood that I bleed. I want to know if you be the shoulder that I need. I want to go, so take me to Neverland. Anxiety taking over me, I can't be the only one left. No, society sneaking up on me. I just wanna be felt and taken and never left.
You and me, hanging from the willow tree, quietly drifting in the open breeze. Suddenly, the wind blows you away from me. Now I see we were never meant to be. If only we could travel back in time. Whoa. From the same branch and leaves, wild and free, living here in harmony. Don't you see, this is where you want to be. When you leave, the world is never what it seems. If only we could travel back in time. Whoa.
So this blouse right here, this top is from Zara, and while the trouser, while the pants is from Benetton, and my shoes are from Guess. For the clutch I'm carrying is from Giorgio Armani, very beautiful purse. So let me show you, and it has this kind of very classic chain, so you can easily carry it like this. You can easily carry it like this, like so. I decide to put it inside because I don't really need it for now. I don't need it for now, but this is going to be the same clutch I'm going to be pairing with the second outfit I'm going to be showing you guys, so you stay tuned for that. So guys, for my second outfit I'm going to be comparing the shoes. Is short boots, and it has this kind of chunky heels, which I love because when you are dancing, you know, you are going to be needing something very comfortable that you are going to rely on, not that you're putting on high heels. After 1 hour, 2 hours, you're tired. I got these ankle boots last year winter, and I'm not really worried. I think I've worn it 2-3 times if I'm not mistaken, and it's still super brand new, and it's a velvet material. I really love it a lot. So guys, for the second outfit I have this red bodysuit, and I like the fact that it's not too long and it's not too short. And for the jumpsuit guys, this is how it looks like. I got this jumpsuit in summer. I didn't know what to pair it with because I didn't really figure out what to pair it with, so I decided to wait a little bit because it's a bit long. It's not up to my ankle. So this is how it looks like at the back area. At the back it has this kind of crisscross back as you can tell. And at the front it has this kind of very deep cut at the front area. Of course I can't wear it like that. A lot of people wear it, but for me I can't wear it like that. It's like I'm showing my whole breast to the wings, you know what I mean, my whole boobie to the wings. So yeah, it's cap, which I'm super obsessed, and it's a straight cap, if that is the right word. So this is what I'm going to put. This also is from OVS and it was €9.99. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be putting on my head. But I have to get off this first outfit. So guys, this is the second outfit. I'm loving this look, like seriously, I'm really loving this look. I'm loving the vibe of this jumpsuit. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. Please do let me know if you want to see something like this before Christmas is over. Okay, I'm into this. Okay, super fun doing something like this, something different. Okay, I really enjoy filming this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, please share the video, it means a lot to me. Feel free to leave a request or what you want to see next. Okay, take a love chop.
I knelt to pray today, but no one's listening anymore.